Välkommen, welcome back to my channel. I am Katie if you're new, if you're a returning subscriber. Welcome back, what it do? And today we'll be doing a hair video for you guys, and it's this gorgeous 5x6. Yes, you heard it right. 5x6 closure units by MyShinyWigs. And y'all can see it is giving what it needs to give. It's giving realistic wig wear. It just looks like my hair and it doesn't look like a closure. So yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I install and hear my thoughts about this unit, keep on watching. So this video I will be installing a unit, and today I will be working with MyShinyWigs. I have worked with this company previously, so this is not my first time working with them, so I'm quite excited to show you guys what I will be installing today. They do have a new packaging. This is the packaging the wig came in, which is really cool. You can basically have your wig in here, and yeah, I kind of like this. This is really cute. So in the packaging you get your pouch, and you also get your wig caps. You get 2 sets, and then you get a rat tail comb, always handy, tweezer, edge brush, and a little brush as well. So I've also sent these 2 little samples just to show you guys the difference between the regular lace and the seamless lace. Right, so this is the laces against each other, against my skin. Off the bat I could tell that the new seamless lace is really thin and really nice. I can't wait to check this out. So right, this time around I will be installing a closure wig. Yes, a closure wig. And this time around the closure wig is a 5x6. So yeah, so which means the width is a 5x5 and the parting is a 6x6. Does it make sense? So you get 5 inches and the width, and the parting is a 6-inch parting space, which is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, let me just put the lace against my skin once more. That's how it's looking. I haven't added any foundation whatsoever. This is just the actual lace placed against my skin. I did go ahead to bleach and pluck this unit off camera. However, it did come pre-bleached a little bit, but I did go in and bleached it a bit more. So that's the construction of the unit inside. You get 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle there, and then you get another one at the bottom. And you also get your elastic band as well, and this one's the adjustable one, which is amazing. And yeah, so the unit did come pre-curled, so I did go ahead and just added a bit more curls to it. And yeah, so I will be attempting to do a glueless method with this unit. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. So I'm just brushing back my baby hairs just so they're not in the way when I will be installing the wig later on. And I'm using an edge control to brush back my hair. So the foundation that I'll be using today is the Black Opal foundation stick, and this is in the shade Suede Mocha. So I'll just be applying some of that foundation onto the lace just so it blends seamlessly with my skin tone, and I'm just adding some onto the wig cap as well, just to further help it melt. So This is literally sitting very snug. I absolutely love that. So I'm just trying to place it because I want a deep side part. Okay. So what I like to do is add a little bit onto the lace, front of the lace, just so it blends much better. As you guys can see, this lace is really thin. I absolutely love that. I'm just gonna come in a bit closer as my mirror is literally down there, so I'm gonna need to see what I'm doing.
So now I'm just going ahead to cut off the excess lace using my eyebrow razor, and this just helps you achieve a more realistic and jagged hairline, which is what you want.
Right, let me just add a little bit more foundation to this side. Did you all see how that just blended? Wow. Let me just get my little scissors because I don't like this little. Cool. And then I'll do the same for this side. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same for this side. Just apply a bit more, just so it melts. So what I am going to do now is grab some mousse. So I ran out of my Lotta Body. I ran out of my Lotta Body mousse, so I'll be using my Afro G mousse. Hopefully this works and it doesn't mess everything up.
So I decided to add some realistic baby hairs just on the side, just a kind of like a minimum baby hair situation going on.
I feel like I'm a bit out of practice, guys. Like, after not doing this for a little while, it really feels like I'm out of practice. Okay, right.
So I'm going ahead by using my eyebrow razor to just cut off the excess hair that I do not need, and then use the Afro G styling mousse and my edge brush to just brush the hairs in place.
So what I'm going to do is add a bit of foam onto the actual lace. So this is like the edge of the lace. And this is gonna basically act as some sort of, I wouldn't say glue because it's not glue, but it helps basically lay down the lace and melt. It helps the lace to melt further in, if it makes sense. So yeah. Right, so what you're gonna need next is going to be an elastic band. I tend to buy like a roll from Amazon, and they're quite cheap, so I'm just gonna cut and now just leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, so in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is I will be flatten out the top, because as you can tell it's a bit bulky and I don't really like that, so I'm gonna just flatten it out. So today I'll be using the Trevix hot comb, and it looks like so. I'll be using my Care wax stick and then just add a little bit. Right, so I'm just gonna pop this off and let's see how the lace is looking. And this is how it's looking. Absolutely amazing, amazing. Right, so I'm just gonna blend this a bit more in. Side, that's it, and that side. And that's literally it. That's how simple and easy it is to install this unit, and it is glueless. Like, right, so this is the final look, guys. You guys basically saw firsthand how easy this unit was to install. I am definitely a huge fan of this new seamless lace from MyShinyWigs. So let me run you guys through the specs. So as I mentioned, this is a 5x6 lace closure unit, and this is 20 inches and 180% density, and the texture is also their royal wave texture. Honestly guys, this unit is literally perfect. I cannot emphasize how perfect this unit is. It fits snug to my head, and the lace is a chef's kiss. It's absolutely amazing. It's seamless, it's realistic, really easy to work with. As you saw during the installation bit, it literally took me about 5 to 10 minutes to place this on, and this is how basically it looks. It is absolutely amazing. I am in awe with this. And another thing, the unit is so soft. Absolutely love how soft and silky it is. As I mentioned previously, I did go ahead and added a bit of curls to it, and this was this morning, and the curls, as you can see, it's still here. So it's safe to say that this unit does hold curls as well, so which is absolutely amazing. I love that. I am impressed. I love this unit, and I'm very impressed with MyShinyWigs. I can definitely say this is gonna be one of my favorites because it's just giving. It is giving. So that is all from me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below if this is something you would be, you know, rocking, if it's your cup of tea, because this is giving real. This is giving what it needs to give, and you'll need this. Yeah, so just make sure to check down below in the description box for all the specs and details down about the unit and links and so forth. And yeah, so thanks to MyShinyWigs for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for tuning in today. And if you did like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.